Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special recipe is vermicelli upma or healthy breakfast recipe. Made it in just 10 to 15 minutes. Very quick and easy recipe and healthy recipe guys. So let's get started with the recipe and check out the ingredients. Alright, so these are my vermicelli. It's also called semiya. So let's make this vermicelli upma, a quick and easy breakfast recipe. Alright, so let's get started and check out the ingredients. So as I showed earlier, the vermicellis were plain and I just roasted in 1 tablespoon of ghee for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn this color, nice and roasted. So let's get here, and I have a pinch of cumin, pinch of turmeric powder, 3 to 4 curry leaves, 3 green chilies, cashew nuts. You can also take peanuts instead cashew nuts, but I like cashew nuts in it. So 1 small tomato, 1 small onion, and frozen green peas. Here you can take bunch of other vegetables like green peas, carrot, cauliflower, or any other vegetable that you like. So we're gonna squeeze some lemon for that nice and fresh taste, and we'll garnish it with coriander. Again, we need 1 tablespoon of oil, of hot water, and salt to taste, about half a teaspoon. Alright, let's get going. Pan, I have added 1 tablespoon of oil, and once it's heated, let's add cumin seeds, cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are optional. If you like that nutty flavor, definitely go ahead and add it. And let's add chilies and curry leaves. Turmeric powder, just for that light yellowish color. Let's add onion, and let's saute this for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn translucent. Alright, time to add tomatoes and green peas. Let's saute this for about 1 minute. After tomato, I'm going to add some salt, about half tablespoon. Alright, so once tomato becomes soft, let's add our vermicelli. Give that a good mix. Look at this, so colorful already. And time to add water. This is hot water. Always add hot water so it cooks faster. I might need more water rather. added about 3 cups of water for 1 cup of vermicelli. I have added 1/4 cup, 1 and 1/4 cup of vermicelli actually. So I'm adding about 3 cups of water here. Let this cook. Just make sure the vermicellis are under the water because we need some water to cook them. Keep it covered for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 3 minutes and I can see my water is almost evaporated and it helped the semiya or vermicelli to cook. So now I'm going to just open it. Alright, so let's give that a good mix. It's almost done and I'm not going to cover it because I see it's already cooked. They cook so fast. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon ghee just for that additional flavor, but this is purely optional. I just love ghee. So and I'm going to add a couple pinches of sugar. Again, that's also optional, but it's always nice to add sugar in savory dishes. Alright, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and that's pretty much it. Alright, some sugar, final mix, and then let's serve this. Nice and easy 10 minutes recipe. Let's turn off the heat and garnish this with coriander. Alright, so this is done already. Nice and easy, quick to make and very healthy vermicelli upma or healthy breakfast recipe. Just made it in 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit the big like button and share with your friends and families to try it at home and let me know your feedback. Take care and goodbye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Bye.